How to get Facebook Marketplace back on iPhone or Android device. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your Facebook. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, at the top right corner, you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you land to the settings and privacy page, at the top right corner, you will find the search icon. Click on it. Now type in navigation bar and search for it. Once that option appears, click on it. Now click on the option of customize the bar. Here you're going to find different sections. Under available, you might find the option of marketplace, and at the right corner of the marketplace option, you'll find the drop down. Click on it and check in for the option of pin. Once you pin it, you will be able to find the marketplace at the bottom of your screen. You can see that. This way you can easily get back marketplace on your Facebook. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can update your Facebook app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, marketplace will be available in your device. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can report to the Facebook support team. For that, launch your Facebook, navigate to the menu page, scroll down, click on the option of help and support, then click on the option of report a problem, click on continue to report. Now click on include, select the option of marketplace from here. Now here you have to explain about an issue that marketplace is not available in your Facebook account. Once you type in that, send it, and with that, Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours. You can have the conversation with the Facebook support team, and with that, your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily get Facebook Marketplace back on iPhone or Android device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.